Kindly subscribe to the channel and let's dive into what is before us today. Today we are looking at numerical analysis. It's very important subject or course in pure and applied mathematics. So you need to pay attention to this one. As we look at numerical analysis today, numerical analysis deal with error, but today we are going to consider just a few types of error. So we have types of error. Number one is rounding error. When we talk about rounding error, what is rounding error? You may ask, what is rounding error? What do you understand by rounding error? Because we have rounding error, we have absolute error, and we have truncation error. But today we are going to look at rounding error. Because we are going to look at them one after the other in a series. So as we look at rounding error, what does it mean? Rounding error is the difference between the rounded value and actual value. That is, when we talk about landing error, we are talking about the differences between the landing value and the actual value. For proper understanding, we are going to look at some examples how to find the landing error in numerical analysis. So when we talk about landing error, we are talking about that is the difference between landed value and the actual value. You need to understand there are really two key words here: landed value and the actual value. The difference between the landed value and actual value. When we talk about difference in mathematics, we are talking about subtraction. So pay attention to this video. Let's look at example of this landing error. The example. Example 1 says if 63 is landed to the nearest 10, if 63 is landed to the nearest 10, pay attention. This 63 is our actual value that we have from the question. If it's landed to the nearest 10, when we landed to the nearest 10, what does it mean? I'm going to show us what it means. They say we should find the landed error. If 63 is landed to the nearest 10, find the nearest error. How do you find the nearest error? Let's look at it. Solution. 63, if it's landed to the nearest 10, that is, to the nearest 10 is 60. Because 60 is more nearer to 63 than 70. Look at it. If you count from 63 to 70, you know that you have almost 7 numbers to reach 70. But if you count from 63 to 60, you know that you have only 3 numbers. So the nearest value, the nearest 10 of this 63 is what? 60. That is the short way to know it. So the nearest 10 of it is what? 60. And for our question, we know that 63 is the actual value that they gave us in the question. So we know that 63 is our actual value. Then this 60 now becomes our landed value. That is what it means. And when you talk about a landed error, you talk about landed error is the difference between what? The landed value and the actual value. So for now, we know that actual value now, which is our 63, minus the landed value, which is our 60 that we got, is going to give us what? 63 minus 60 equals to 3. So our landed error becomes what? 3. So that's how to find landed error. I'm going to give us another example of how to find landed error. Example 2. So if 58.7 is rounded to whole number. To whole what? Number. Pay attention. To whole number. Find the rounded. Find the what? Rounded error. And I'm going to take our time. We say if 58.7 is rounded to whole number, take note, whole number, find the rounded error. From our actual, so now we say if 58.7 is rounded to whole number, take note, whole number. There should be need to take note in mathematics. It's rounded to whole number, find the rounded error. Okay? You know that landed error here, landed error, landed error is equal to what? Our landed error is the difference between the landed value, right, minus the actual value. So I'm saying that here, this is our landed value, minus our actual value, AB. I'm not putting in abbreviation for just because I want us to give up time. This is our landed value minus our actual value. And on the question, if 58.7 is landed to the whole number, find the landed error. If 58.7, that means this is our actual value. Our actual value here, actual value equals to what? 58.7. Actual value, I just abbreviate it. Then it's rounded to whole number. If you want to round this to whole number, what does it mean? That means our whole number of this is equal. This is 58.7. If you rounded it to whole number, it becomes 59. So we have our landed value becomes 59. By approximation, if you approximate this to whole number, it will equal 59. So by this formula, landed value minus actual value, our landed error becomes landed error become equals to landed value, this is 59 minus actual value, this is 5.87 divided by 1 place. Now, our answer now is going to be what? Our answer now is what? That's when we need to apply this. Minus 58.7, so we go what? 0.3. 0.3. And this is our landed error. This is our landed error. Thank you very much. Thank you for being part of us today in this tutorial about numerical analysis. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel for more. This is Maths Master.